A nice rev in an Altezza would be exciting. Beautiful. Cool. When's the last time you actually brought this outside? And
About a year ago.
Yeah, it is a year ago.
When I broke the engine.
Yeah.
Wait till you see this. What?
Because you've been off trying to be an adult for a year.
Yeah.
Doing grown-up stuff.
Been in college.
Yes. The last time was when we did the video talking about it over there.
Oh yeah. I broke it. Because the last time I broke it. So I have a cracked piston.
Okay.
But sure, it'll be okay.
That's great. Fuck it. We're only going out the road there.
I just threw this on.
The kid is on.
New kid, and it's like, watch this. Oh.
Ah, look. It's grand.
This might fall off on the way. Look, hopefully not.
There's a lot of action. This is nice. 4 doors. They all have 4 doors.
This has 5.
5 doors.
Yeah.
This is actually leaving the shed. It's incredible. With the new wheels. They actually look deadly on it. And you know what's great? They look deadly faded.
Yeah.
So we have Eamon's R32. And then C35 that we haven't spoken about yet. It's pretty badass. With an RB26 inside. So we're going to go to a Cars and Coffee.
Yeah.
And walk around it. Cars and Sausage.
Well, it's your Cars and Coffee, so...
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
organise
the people that come that make it.
Yeah. People are coming.
I can't wait till you
It's funny because there's 2 other. There's car Heatwave is on today.
Yeah, Heatwave.
And a DB Daily thing.
And DB Day, is it?
Shout out.
Okay.
And,
sorry to them, we didn't know.
but I'd say everyone could be gone to their things.
Look, there's something on every weekend.
Is this an independent thing?
Just an independent.
It's not with
No, this is just I just
Okay.
started this on Monday.
That's his last week.
I just went.
independent.
Very surprised you're not bringing a Serena.
You seen another order with this one?
Yeah. Serena's on HKS coilover, isn't it? So it's sold already. I can't keep up with you, Rob. Stuff moves too fast. Oh no. Unreal. Ah man. Right, we'll go.
Yeah, right. RTG.
Wow, there's a lot of people. So yeah, this usually brings a crowd, and there's quite the crowd. There's a lot of cool shit here, which is cool.
Well, I just do a drive around.
Yeah, do a drive aroundy for the crack. What I love about this stuff is there's just always cars you've never seen before.
GTR.
Cool.
Oh, the pretzels.
I feel bad for the people that work in Costa because they're just like, ah, no. Oh man,
There's micro wheels getting changed every year.
like, there's a lot of cars here already, which is mad. Like fucking hell. Nice. Oh, Sean.
Hi, friend.
Hi.
I know you from the internet.
There's a lot of stuff here. It's quite full. It's handy for us because we don't really have to go too far. Evan!
Well, how are you going?
How are you getting on, Evan?
Not too bad, not too
Good
bad.
to see you now. You well?
Good old turnout.
Cheers, there's a few cars here as well.
Are there something on?
I think there's something on, Evan.
I only came into Halifax to get a wipers.
I was actually going into Harvey Norman to get a charger. And then there's a load of people here. My voice is gone from shouting my head off yesterday. Yeah, he bought them for his mother's car. What? Very impressive. The wheels are nice on it. Your mother splashed out. Fucking knacker. Terrible carry on. Nice. So many nice things. How are you? There's a lot of nice stuff here.
Remember, next to you, Slam 95.
Yeah. See, we didn't even make it around.
That is so cute.
Nice. It's nice. SA55Ms, nice wheel. No one really seems to want these wheels, but I think they're gorgeous. Also nice. Yeah, they're great. They just look like a bar of soap. I just tried to film stuff in a panic, frantic panic.
There's too many people.
But there's too much stuff. Yeah, it's really, really lovely. What is that? What the fuck is that? Answers in the comments, please.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
What is it?
That's a coupler.
Is it something for the steering or
In
the...
Star Wars to connect the two pods together. Cruise control.
Oh, look at this! Oh my god! Look at the interior.
Two rows beside each other. Where would you get?
Yeah, and then this over here, like. Fucking hell.
They're my old wheels, look.
Oh yeah.
What's that Honda?
Yeah, it's less than 1,000.
Dog to fuck off, it was sorted.
Yeah, a selfie holding a dog, Barry. Very impressive.
Hey, Pooch.
Just trying to make a terrible video here. It's not working. It's not working. Can't go anywhere, like, really. You're in the video. Woo, oh my god.
Is that a threesome?
Deadly.
Little free bank.
A little, yeah, 3 dual overhead cam. Look at the go of it.
That's cool.
That's beautiful.
Isn't it?
Deadly.
It's like a little motorbike engine. I guess that's essentially what it is.
It's got the wheels. Tomies. Fucking hell. Oh, the lads.
I don't even know.
I never leave go, like.
See, this is the killer. We're just stopping and talking to people. Stevie, well, I'm not stopping to talk to you. I'll be back. Toyota BB.
Nice, just pull second.
Yeah. That's also. There's just so much cool shit here.
Yep. Yeah, I really thought this was dying. I'm glad I was wrong.
Yeah.
It looks like a Bentley.
Yeah, it's
I
mad.
guess that's on purpose, isn't it? Is it, yeah?
Serious tires.
Yeah, we like this.
Amazing. Absolute balloon spec. It's great how we haven't made it anywhere. We've literally been here God knows how long. Look at that. Lovely. We've almost finished the zigzag. More serious. Look at that.
Oh, nice. Cool. Yeah, do Haraguchi's cap.
This is lovely. This is also lovely. Too many nice things to look at.
Yeah.
Rob brought this in. It's cool, like.
Did he?
For one of the lads, yeah, Murray. Like,
The kind of intake vent on the thing.
it's the like late '90s, like early millennium VIP style. Like that was all the rage. It's beautiful. Yeah, very nice. I'm a big fan. Beautiful. Just got sporty and painted them. It's nice though. There's way too much shit here, and this video is probably going to be awful because I just keep walking around aimlessly filming. But like, there's stuff everywhere. Like, check this thing out. It's like a cool Accord on Meister S1Rs, just hiding at the back. Unbelievable. And then just this beautiful S14. All right, lads. Unbelievable. And then a Starlet. Fuck, it's so cool. I film this thing, leave it. Beautiful. And somebody gave you,
10 minutes
because
ago,
obviously
said-
you're the person to give the keys to.
said, and I put it on my story, but
We'll go over now and reunite them.
Are you looking for a set of keys?
Yeah.
That them?
Them not.
Oh no!
No?
No.
Oh man.
Oh, sorry. That them, no?
Yeah, that's them.
How happy are you right now? Delighted.
Not all bad, boy, I told you.
So what's funny is we went to the Cars and Coffee and then we invited a lot of people back here and we had a barbecue. So I said I'd just film a little bit of it before it all disappears. But some pretty fucking awesome shit came back. So, nice. This car is gorgeous and deserves a full feature eventually. Yeah, this is the Z, same as the one I have that goes all the way out.
Yeah, what did you say?
Oh, jeez.
What you're talking about is so good to look
I know.
at. The noises.
Fair play to you, because there's way too many that are just the exact same, and then you have two of the fucking nicest ones. Where did you get that? Is it on it, or did you find it?
Got that in Ireland.
No way. That's the magic of it though, isn't it? If you fucking find the right stuff, like, a lot of it came here.
Ireland, just around 20 minutes away from it.
That's all.
The old V2 front bumper is just fucking beautiful.
Put the Toda high lift cams out, green engine.
Really? Is this your cam cover out of the green one as well? Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's serious.
Oh yeah, man. I like that you were inspired out of the Hyper Revs then.
No.
Did you get them here as well, like the Regamasters?
Taurix.
Are they-
I have Model 6s for it.
They're fucking beautiful. You'll never give them back to him now.
For the right price, like.
Yeah,
Squatter right.
yeah. Ganadors are lovely as well. Just very nice. You'll have to start it up for us now, like in a minute. Just, I don't want you to leave and not hear it again. Just want to hear how nice this is.
Oh, you can set it in the back if I want to hear this.
Yeah. A nice rev and an Altezza would be exciting. Yeah, that's great. Beautiful. That's all I wanted. It's like something in a movie, like. There was danger in the room.
Just roar at me.
Yeah, but just.
Suits you, don't it?
I was just about to say, you just got there this morning.
It's real granddad spec in there. It's lovely.
Find out.
An old Pro Drift sticker. You donut. Will it donut? Good Charmant. So it's basically a twin cam underneath. Everything, all inside. I like that you got this in that shed over there and then you built it in like less than a month. Let's see the engine bay. Pop the bonnet, Adrian. Pop the hood, dude.
Still needs a bit of tidying.
Oh yeah, cool. It's fucking lively, man.
Yeah, it's a good healthy.
Yeah, I've driven enough twin cams where they don't feel as like, is that like, it's fairly giddy. Dead. Barbecue is dead. We tried to be.
Fix the wheel on it though.
Yeah, well, we tried to be really good with a gas barbecue and be like, you know, level it up, but it doesn't work. So now it must go over here.
That's where they pick up the stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah, we hope so.